Adunay gidusong resolusyon si Kagawad Elijah Polistico kalabot pag-awhag sa mga tulungaan sa Jansan nga tumanon ang No Permit No Exam Prohibition Act. Tumong niini nga panigurong mapatuman ang gikaingong balaod sa dakbayan.
It's the disadvantaged students who will be catered by this Republic Act. So when it comes to disadvantaged students, the Communication Secretary Garafil said that the DSWD has had consultations with relevant stakeholders so that they will promulgate rules and regulation defining the criteria of disadvantaged students po, so that the one who will be catered will be the one, yung mga nangangailangan talaga.
Upon question pa ni Kagawad Attorney Edmar Yumang kung kiniusa ba ka premature resolution, kahibaluan nga ang Republic Act 11984 kung No Permit No Exam Prohibition Act. Wala pa'y implementing rules and regulation, isipag ila kung kinsa ba ang sakop sa disadvantaged student.
To this date, wala pa tayong implementing rules. How can this law be implemented unless there is an implementing rule? So you cannot urge somebody to perform an act na wala pa namang implementing rules.
Butyag pa sa pipila ka kagawad nga dili matud pa problema ang gidusong resolusyon bisan pa man wala pay gipagawas nga IRR ang DSWD.
Madam Chair, I think there is nothing wrong as far as the resolution is concerned. Since it is already a bill, it's understood, Madam Chair, while waiting for the RRR, Madam President. I don't think immediately the schools will implement that, di ba? But the word urging, I think, just like what the Vice Mayor was saying, hindi naman masamang your word. But if Councilor Yumang would like to change the word, perhaps encouraging. But since it is already a law, we do not need the word encouraging, no?
Gani ang gidusong resolusyon nga nagpakita og suporta sa gikaingong balaod alang sa mga disadvantaged students giamendahan.
For the main motion, I move for the approval of item number 8 with amendment.
Okay, what's your amendment?
Second.
Introduce amendments.
There will be a change in the title. So instead of resolution urging all educational institutions within the city of General Santos City to comply with Republic Act 11984, it would be resolution supporting Republic Act number 11984, also known as the No Permit No Exam Prohibition Act.
Hinuon sa nahitabong regular session, pasado og suportado usab sa sangguniang panglungsod sa Jansan ang No Permit No Exam Prohibition Act. In the heart of changing lives, kini si Brigada Liza Labajo sa Brigada News Jansan, Brigada News.